Hello Ray guys! Good morning! Nasa bahay pa tayo ngayon pero maalis din tayo maya-maya. Tinatapos ko lang tong niluluto ko na stir fry and yung rice. Hindi nagre-reply sa akin si Eliza but I think kailangan namin magdala ng rice. Kasi pupunta tayo ngayon sa gubat. Nung isang araw diba kami, nagtawag nito? Nag-shooting kasama si Carlo. Ngayon, si Carlo, sinendan si Elisa ng picture na nag-shooting nga siya kasama si Nico. Sabi niya, gusto ko rin, may experience. So, ngayon, sasama namin din si Betty, yung isang estudyante din dito, pero taga Africa. So, since fasting siya ngayon, guys, and vegetables lang yung pwede niyang kainin, kaya nagluto ko ng stir fry for her. Timing at meron tayong maraming gulay na nanggaling sa Haviki. So, yan na, niluto ko na. Pati yung rice, guys, nanggaling yan sa Haviki. So, yan yung ibabaon namin. Pero mag-grill din kami doon ni Elisa ng chicken siguro. Kasi, mainit na nga ang weather. And last week, sinasabi ni Elisa na sarap talagang kumain sa labas, Ate Violi, yung sa forest, ganyan, yung fresh air lang ba. Kaya, gagawin namin yun ngayon. And mag-grill tayo doon sa forest nila Nico. At the same time, while niluluto namin yon, magka-cut din si Nico ng a few trees doon sa forest, guys. Kasi, kailangan talaga namin ng maraming kahoy para sa parating na winter. And after that one, kakain kami. Tapos kapag nakapag-relax na, mag-shooting. Ganon siguro magiging activity. But, come what may, bahala na. Wala naman talagang precise na plano kung ano. Pero, those are the basic things na gagawin namin today doon sa gubat. Hello, Ray, guys. Uy, init na gyud. Uy, init na gyud siya, guys. Tara na. Tata tayo ng, bahay ni Elisa kasi sunduin natin silang dalawa ni Betty. Magkapit bahay lang kasi sila, guys. Yung isang African na tinulungan namin din na lumipat ng bahay. Siya, tapos yung si Elisa. Ayun, so sunduin natin sila doon sa bahay nila, guys. Tapos punta na tayo ng sale siguro kasi may bili yata ng chicken kasi chicken lang pwedeng kainin kasi ni Betty. Tapos ito, ano pa ba? Basta, let's see anong mayayari. Dito na kami sa sale, guys. Bili daw kami ng karne dito. Manok, bilhin natin. Ayan noon naka-sale. Yan na lang. Oh, yan na kasi naka-sale ba. Betty don't eat meat, but I make stir-fry vegetables for you. You eat rice? You... okay. Yeah. I have it's all vegetables. And I have rice as well. No need. We don't need a lot.
Chips na lang.
Pwede din. Namuday yan siya, trabaho yan siya dito. Yun bata.
Kaya ako nagtatrabaho niya. Betty, I want to work here. Soft drink. Sprite, I want.
Pwede dahil, sugar free. Wala ba ako dalang baso? Kana lang. Alam mo ba na merong, isa lang, uy. No, I don't, anything, just that one is enough. We don't need a lot. That's enough. You don't need to buy anymore. That's enough, Betty. It's enough. No! No, that's enough. That's enough now. Let's go lang tito madam mo. Madam namin talaga yan siya. Anong bilhin mo? Elisa is looking for something. I don't know. Anika? She's in school. She's in the school today.
Is she coming with us?
No. I think it's over there. It's over here. Tingnan nyo yung tulips, guys. Ang ganda. May white. Tapos na kami dito sa sali, guys. Grabe, ang pula ng mukha ko. Para akong mixed tea na ewan. Kasi mainit kasi guys. So, alam mo yung galing kami ng winter. So, ngayon spring. So, mainitan ko ng maayo. Pero magbalik yan dati yung color ko eh. Gusto ko yung brown ako kaysa na puti-puti. Dito na kami guys sa gubat. Tapos sabi ko kay Nico, drive na lang tayo papaakyat doon. Sus guys, malambot pa pala yung lupa dito no. Kasi ganyan talaga after winter. Ngayon guys, na-stuck yung sasakyan ko. Guys, na-stuck ang sasakyan. So kumuha si Nico ng traktor para tanggalin yung sasakyan dyan. Nalubog siya guys kay lapok. Hindi magsi 4x4 tong sasakyan ko no. Kalabas na guys, finally. Kraos din guys. We survived. Now the car is parked there at the cross. What is your job in Finland, Dai? Huh? I have that barbecue stick there. Did you see? I have that barbecue stick. Uy, kasok man.
Guys, nagka-camping kami ngayon.
Good job, Elisa. Tapos na kaming kumain, guys. We're done eating, so now we're going to do shooting. You go, Betty, because we are going to kidnap you. Kidnap Betty. She's saying thank you, Kitos. Ha? Ah, Carlos pants? No, it got ripped off on the other side, not here. So Betty and Elisa will try to shoot targets today. Ano sabi mo, Day? Picturean ko na talaga siya kay profile pic. Inggitira man. Sabi niya, ti ako din, ti. Ay. Certificate of Appreciation. Yung lata na tamaan ni Carlo, inuwi niya talaga, Day. Oh. Proud talaga siya sa sarili niya. Isang bala niya lang good yun. Nico will put the target there. Char, inday daw. You really need to stand. You cannot sit down.
And then press it here where this corner there, like that, and then push it there. I think there's some seats or something.
Do you think you'll be able to shoot, Elisa? In the target? In the middle? Carlos got 5 and 6, no?
No, in this are not tulosvelvollisuus.
Now it's
tulos.
full, I think.
It's just, yo, okay. No need. Okay, and then sit there and try to
Where is the...
put the target there. And if it's, I don't know, is it good for sitting or what's the good?
Nakaluhod lang si Carlo nandyan, day. Can you see anything? It's like shaking, Elisa.
Let's take first like this, so down there. Okay.
Is there a moose?
A big moose.
A big
Okay.
moose.
So let's
Moose.
you can turn this up here on the right hand. Just for like no, and then pull it back. Here's
I
this
think
now
Elisa
say
have
it's on.
experience.
You ready?
Dapat ano talaga?
Yeah, try to shoot it on the target. You see that target there with the circle die?
Sana yung target na yun?
I don't know with you. You're the one looking. Sana yun tayo. She's saying like, where's the target now? You're the one going to shoot. We can't see what you can see there.
Connection there. And then let's make like this right here. Let's make that like
Sige, Gaday. You can't reach it. Hindi niya abot. Hindi niya abutin.
At dapat dito yung yaki diba?
Mm.
Also, I want to take a picture with
right there now.
I cannot see. There's no target na siya.
I-double na ni Nico kasi hindi makita ni Madam. Now, can you see it? That's the problem with small people.
So can you make it bigger?
Yan, de, kay hangin.
Ala ganon?
You think he hit it?
And then with the right hand is up. Up. Oh, and then pull it back. Okay, right, like that. Okay. And then put forward there.
Pasmado man to kamay ko. Uy.
You can do it, Elisa. Stay focused. Now Elisa know what to do. What to do? Char, fast learner. Elisa is fast learner. Ikaw na talaga, Joy.
Ako na talaga, te.
Ikaw na talaga, Joy.
How many is that? No, Betty. Yeah, Betty.
So ngayon naman guys, pupuntahan namin yung target ni Elisa. Titingnan namin kung may tinamaan ba siya. Or baka napunta lang yung lahat sa bato yung tinamaan ni Inday. May kanal man ito dito guys. Kasi yung water na nanggaling sa forest para makalabas ba, hindi siya mapuno doon sa forest. May bullseye ka, Day? Wow! Viva! Betty is now pressured. Ano yan, Day? Certificate of completion?
Naka-bullseye.
Viva, Elisa. Patingin? Wow! Daddy, she got very good score! Kabullseye si Madam! Amazing! How many was this? This is one, no?
One.
There was 5.
Some missing, but or I
Yeah.
don't know how many you loaded. I didn't count.
How many you load? 6?
Baka 6.
Oh, wow! Congrats, Day!
May sir.
So let's go back there. It's Betty's turn. Ano feeling, Day? Happy ka? Ah, pag mayabang mo yan kay Dudong. There's a moose.
Kayo
Oh?
wala akong kasama ng ganito. Tapos ang makalang bayan.
Oh, at least ito dito may completion ka na.
Tapos 2 oras lang.
Amazing. Ikaw na talaga, Day.
Isaan ko kay Carlo.
Mayabang, oh. Ikaw na talaga, Day.
Ako na ni Carlo, ya. Bullseye, Carlo.
Linggit na talaga si Carlo.
Bullseye, Carlo. Bullseye, Carlo.
Now it's Betty's turn.
Do you remember how to?
Tinuturuan siya ni Nico how to load the bullets. Ano feeling mo, Day? Masaya ka?
Carlo, wow!
Sabihin mo, yung pants ko hindi napunit.
Yung pants ko, hindi na punin.
Yung pants si Carlo punit eh.
Okay. Some position there. Okay, and then push up. Okay. Did you find it?
It's moving all the time, Betty, right?
Wait.
It's not
Just,
center.
okay, just keep your eye.
I will turn it back this way. Okay?
No.
Viva, Betty! Ta! Viva, Betty!
Hollywood movie to.
And never put your finger here if you are not ready to shoot. Because, it's kind of
Viva!
okay, is there still more?
I think there's still some more.
Okay.
Viva, Betty!
Ready ng kulay ni Betty.
Betty's skin color is very pretty, no? Before in the olden times, like people are like so, everybody wants to be white. Betty's like a Barbie. Hmm. Hmm.
Concentrate.
Certificate!
Ito na agad yung certificate of completion.
Happy ka, Day?
Oo.
How much pala yung ganyan sa Abu Dhabi? Mahal?
Mahal. Mga 300 ata.
300? Mahal man?
Dirham.
Lano?
Pila lang ka hours? 1 hour, 2 hours.
O at least ito dito. Pwede nga, Day, mag-unlimited dito, Day. Lalo na kapag autumn, si Nico, mag-practice yan siya. Sobrang proud talaga ni Madam, oh. Kaya ay.
Lagay ko to sa pinto ng banyo ko. Bakit ganyan? Ano ko yan?
Huwag dahan-dahan kayo sa akin.
Dahan ka.
Dahan-dahan kayo sa akin. Dahan-dahan kayo kay Madam Elisa. Bullseye si Madam. Ikaw na talaga. How was it, Betty?
Empty, but we try closer because she didn't use that zoom.
Ah!
Looks so far, so let's put that.
We'll try another one.
Yeah, let's put that.
So Betty will try again because we don't want to go home that she's not able to hit the target. No certificate of appreciation.
My hands are shaking at the same time. The wind is blowing, so I don't know if it's. Yeah, that's
So
why.
Betty didn't put the zoom, that's why. But she can try again.
That's for my first time.
Yeah, and it's not Elisa's first time.
We don't compare.
We cannot compare all the time.
Pag ganito, ito siguro yung
Mixie. Mixie. Why? Can you see it now, Betty? Betty, you close your other eye.
I think
Your left eye.
maybe that direction. Or is it here?
yeah.
You close your other eye. Wink. We are not in a hurry.
Concentrate, Betty, concentrate.
Diba? Can we see? Great job! Wow! Oh, Ted! This is a lot better than Carlo! You tell Carlo, this is better than yours! Because Carlo has here only 5 and 6.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, but you guys are like, Betty's near the bullseye. It's even like in the bullseye, like within the 10. Wow, good job. Girls are better than men. Girl power.
Independence from we know what to do. Let's just drive there. It don't get stuck. Nani, what to do now?
Noni. Thank you, Daddy.
Nani, you guys have a
Betty said that it feels good.
The bullets.
It feels good.
Nani, next
Stress
time you
reliever,
get
Betty, no?
we put
Sa good vapa paiva.
it is a kukupäivä.
Ha? Good vapa paiva.
Mikä se on se, on se kukupäivä?
Kyky. Tehypäivä.
Tai se sellainen like
Mikä se on? Tyhypäivä. Tyhypäivä. Hello Ricoys, good morning. Hindi ko na natapos yung vlog kahapon. Kasi pagkatapos namin mag-shooting, umuwi din kami and nakatulog ako guys kasi nga kapag nakalanghap ka talaga ng maraming fresh air, parang mapapagod ka guys ay marerelax yung, hindi man mapapagod, parang pagod na nga na marelax talaga yung katawan mo. Kaya isa yan sa dahilan na gusto namin na nagpupunta talaga ng forest kasi kakalanghap talaga kami ng fresh air. So today balik kami dito sa forest guys kasi si Nico is magka-cut siya ng tree and maglalakad ako dito, i-check ko yung forest, maghahanap ako dito kung merong ganong klaseng mushroom na tumutubo dito sa forest nila Nico. May isang spring mushroom or late winter na mushroom na tumutubo na color red siya, na para siyang cup. It's not very common here in Finland but sa Norway common siya, pero dito sa amin I don't know if I will be able to find that mushroom, but check lang natin tong gubat nila kung meron. So dito na tayo sa forest guys. Kasi yung mushroom na yun, tumutubo siya sa mga mossy areas, moist. And itong forest nila Nico guys, moist ito. Maraming moss and maraming puno. But let's see kasi yung scarlet na mushroom hindi siya masyadong common dito sa Finland. And actually hindi din siya kinakain dito sa Finland. Pero edible yun. Kaya itry lang natin hanapin. Usually sa mga twigs, sa ilalim ng moss, dun siya tumutubo. Madali lang siyang ma-identify kasi nga red siya. We'll just try. Actually sa other parts ng Finland guys may tumutubo nun, pero dito sa amin never pa ako nakakita. Wala man ako makita, guys. So, wala dito sa forest nila Nico. Kanina pa ako dito pa ikot-ikot. And wala talaga akong mahanap. Naririnig niyo yung chainsaw. Si Nico yun, guys. Kasi nagkakat siya ng trees doon. Ang firewood namin. Wala, guys. Tapos wala pa yung ano ngayon. Wala pang mga chanterelles. Kasi nga late summer na naman yun sila tutubo. Hanggang autumn. Wala ko nakitang ibang mushroom dito ngayon. Pero maraming moose poop. Kain ng mga moose. It's good. Kasi it will go to the ground. Pero dito yung area kung saan ako nakapulot ng sobrang daming chanterelles. Yan yung palatandaan ko yung bato na malaki. Dito yun, guys. Sobrang dami kong napulot dito na mga chanterelles. Palagi naman. Buyag-buyag, siging-siging. Dito yun, oh. Pero of course, ngayon wala pa, guys. Kasi nga, hindi pa nila season. Dito talaga yun. Ito dito. Parang carpet lang sila tumubo. Sobrang dami. Yan, oh, puno yan dyan. Yung space na yan. Puno yan ng chanterelles. Wala akong makita nung mushroom na hinahanap natin. Rare kasi siya dito sa Finland. And sa Norway marami. Depende talaga kahit na same na nasa Nordic area. Iba-ibang mushrooms din talaga. And depende din talaga kung saan ang marami, saan ang konti lang, ganyan. Kaya siya hindi kinakain dito sa Finland kasi nga rare siya and hindi pa siya nabibilang sa mga edible mushrooms. Sobrang ganda ng gubat. Tawag dito, guys, hindi bulbul. Mga ganito sa forest, guys, usually nasa mga puno yan sila sa taas. It means na ang hangin sa forest or ang hangin sa lugar na yan is fresh and not polluted. Dito may old na mushroom, oh, from last year. Na-wither na siya. At yeah, walang ganong mushroom dito, guys, sa lugar na to. Maybe it's other forest. Just need to check the other forest kung meron. Sobrang ganda, oh. Diba? Parang carpet. We need to explore and look other forest kung meron. Wala din ako makita dito sa forest nila Nico na yung Corvaceae or yung isang edible pa na mushroom. Poisonous siya pero edible. Wala dito. Tingnan nyo yung tubig dito, guys, na nanggaling sa gubat. Frozen. Mas malamig talaga dito. Tapos yung pan doon, guys, oh, ano pa siya? Frozen pa talaga siya. Yan yun naman siya. Frozen pa talaga. Hindi talaga dapat ako sasama dito sa gubat, guys. Pero sabi ni Nico, since wala naman akong ginagawa sa bahay, sumama na lang ako. Wala nang snow, guys. Hindi nag-snow pero it's -2 degrees ngayon. Sa ibang parts ng Finland, guys. Lalo na doon sa city. Warm na doon sa kanila. Pero dito sa amin sa bukid, guys, sobrang malamig pa talaga. Kaya hindi talaga makompare. Kaya dito sa amin, guys, napaka-slow talaga. Slow talaga kami sa lahat. Though, yung mga puno is nagsa-start na sila na ng mga dahon nila. But, hindi kagaya sa city, guys, na meron na sigurong dahon doon. Yeah. Sobrang ganda ng weather today. Though it's cold. It's quite sunny. Hindi naman siya ganun kalamig talaga, pero malamig. Paano ko pa explain? Hindi siya ganun kalamig. Kasi mayroong sun. Alam mo yung pag natatamaan yung mukha mo ng sinag ng araw. Ang sarap talaga sa pakiramdam, guys. Kasi minsan lang talaga namin siyang makita. And ngayong spring, pahaba na ng pahaba yung daylight. Kaya mga alas 9, medyo maliwanag pa talaga ng ka-alas 9 ng gabi. Medyo maliwanag pa. So mamaya is mag-haviki kami. And dadaan din ako mamaya dun sa ukay-ukayan ko. Tapos haviki. Tapos i-haul ko yon, of course. Anong mga mapapamili namin mamaya doon sa Haviki Ruwaka. So, for now guys, wala pa tayo nakitang any signs of mushroom dito sa area namin. Sana meron akong matutunan or ma-identify na bagong mushroom this year. It would be nice to learn a new kind of mushroom this year. I hope so I'll be able to find them. Palagi naman akong lumalabas, pupunta sa gubat, pero wala talaga akong makita. Kasi depende din talaga yun sa lugar. Hindi talaga bawat lugar is pare-pareho ng mga tubo ng mga mushrooms. Ayun. But I would be very happy to learn something new and identify a new kind of mushroom this year. Sana talaga guys, pagdasal natin na meron. And matikman natin anong klaseng yung mushroom na yun. Yeah. Anyways guys, dito ko na i-end ang vlog na to. Abangan nyo na lang yung next vlog natin about Haviki Ruwaka. What kind of food we will be able to buy from the food waste or Haviki Ruwaka. Let's see kung meron tayong mga magagandang mga pagkain na mabibili doon. Pero almost palagi naman talaga meron naman talagang pagkain na sobrang okay pa talaga na pwedeng kainin ng galing doon sa Haviki. Thank you so much guys sa inyong lahat sa patuloy na panonood ng aming mga vlogs. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channels, The Lindemans and Lindemans Outdoors. Ingat kayo palagi and we'll see you next time. Hey, hey!
I've seen the wishing well, but I don't throw pennies down below. I've seen a shooting star, but I don't follow where it goes. I'm not the